This recent Facebook video was taken after 20-year-old Devin Myers had police called on him by a white woman who allegedly accused him of looking at her suspiciously. Myers says at the time his request for a supervisor to be called was denied, and he was made to feel like a criminal when all he wanted to do was park his car and get some food at a nearby restaurant. Today, police released new dashcam video along with an apology in part of a statement saying, quote, "The officer had no legal right to demand the identification and should have simply advised Mr. Myers why we were there and allowed him to go on his way." Devin is thanking a nearby worker who shot the video and ultimately got police to call in a higher-ranking supervisor. While no arrest was made, Devin says a prior nasty run-in with one of the same officers has left him reluctant to return to Royal Oak.
He didn't want to hear it. He just wanted to go on and say, I'm overpower you. I have my badge. I can do what I want. I don't have to listen. I don't want to listen. He didn't want to hear my voice.
Police are also now saying what took place is unacceptable, and both a responding officer and a supervisor didn't handle things in a manner expected of them. Discipline and additional training are now being carried out. The woman who called police near 4th and Knowles has not been identified. The Royal Oak mayor has issued a statement indicating the city is working every day to combat racial bias.
As a black parent, it feels like you have to raise your kids twice. Like you have to teach them how to navigate life and then teach them how to navigate life as a black person. So I have black sons. So it's like, here's how you navigate the world. But also, when they were very young, you can't have a toy gun. You can't have a water gun. You can't play with a gun at a water park. As a matter of fact, I never buy you guys guns because Tamir Rice had to play a toy gun and it ended his life. And you can't walk around the neighborhood with a hoodie on your head. I remember having that conversation with my sons after Trayvon Martin. You can't walk around this neighborhood with a hoodie on your head. My son was like, but my head is cold. I'm like, if somebody thinks you don't belong here, you got a hoodie on, they call the police, they call the...
Hello lovelies, welcome back to today's episode. When you try to see what is really happening, the way black people are still passing through a lot, it looks like some people, they are not ready to change. They are just trying to take their best version from their ancestors. You can't tell how this time around black people has been screaming for so long. When we are talking about black fatigue, some people may say that it doesn't exist. Let's use these different clips I gathered for you. Drop your thought in the comment section, then we'll come back with more commentaries.
I'm asking you to stop.
Please don't come close to me.
Sir, I'm asking you to stop recording me.
Please don't come close to me.
Please take your phone off.
Please don't come close to
And
me.
I'm taking a picture and calling the cops.
Please call the cops. Please call the cops.
I'm going to tell them there's an African-American man threatening my life.
Please tell them whatever you like.
There is an African-American man. I am in Central Park. He is recording me and threatening myself and my dog. I'm sorry, I can't hear you either. I'm being threatened by a man in the ramble. Please send the cops immediately.
I filmed her because she started to play race tricks that endangered both my husband and my children.
Shocking. A white woman from New Jersey continuously harassed her black neighbor and threatened to call the police. At noon on Monday, the Hyatt couple were laying the patio in their home when a woman suddenly burst into their house and demanded to see his permit.
Because you're attorneys, you know what to do.
Fried and Narinda Hyatt are both lawyers, and they know that installing a stone courtyard doesn't require a license. But when they didn't answer her question, she chose to call the police and lied that they had beaten her.
No, I watched them. They're saying he didn't.
I didn't put my hands on you.
Melinda said that this situation has been going on for 2 years. Starting from the color of the light in their backyard, the neighbors have been bothering them all the time.
If the police had come here and overreacted, I could have been dead.
When the Montclair police showed up, they pointed out Susan's false accusations and asked the Hyatts if they wanted to sue Susan for making a false report. But the kind Hyatt couple did not choose to pursue the matter.
We don't want to wage war with our neighbors. We just want to be on our patio in quarantine backyard and, be...
I felt so uncomfortable, ma'am. I left my basket there. I proceeded to walk out.
But Brian says she followed him outside, accusing him publicly of stealing her son's phone. He says he tried to get to his car, but she stayed with him. He agreed to stay until the police came. He believes the woman racially profiled him because there was no evidence he stole the phone.
My only reason why I said I'll stay here with her, because I didn't want to leave. Been in the same scenario and I've left and been accused of the one stealing something. So I stayed.
Brian says he walked back into Walmart with the woman to report the harassment.
She accused me of stealing a phone.
Minutes later, her son walked up with the phone in his hand. He apparently found it in the car. Brian says he was hoping for an apology, but she responded with an expletive.
For her child to be right there, that would have taught him a lesson. I don't care if she was sincere or not. The bigger lesson would have been for her kid, and I would have praised God that he would be able to see his mother set a good example and for him to learn. The message I want to send to people is do not let this slide. Don't be scared to do what's right.
What? She was on the phone with 911. If you were a 911 operator and a woman called you and said that a black male was there threatening her and then started reacting like that, what would you think was going on? What would you think was happening to that woman in that moment? And you may see that and be like, well, what did he do? What did he say? He called her rude. That's what he did. That was the extent of the interaction before she threatened to call police and tell them that he threatened her. And as proof, I showed you the second half of the video first. Let me show you how she was behaving literally 1 minute before that.
She is on the phone with 911 right now.
I'm rude and he's just threatening me right now.
Look at her. She said I just threatened her. What threat did I make towards you?
I'm Elizabeth.
What threat did I make towards you, ma'am? Huh? This is crazy. I already knew what it was when I first got here.
From what I've seen, that woman is Asian, but her tears are all white. That is 101 out of the playbook of white woman tears. And shit like that leads to shit like this. She is a person of color, living the American dream. And apparently, that includes weaponizing the police against a black man. I saw that and I was super concerned because he hadn't posted any video after that. And I didn't know if he had posted that one before police arrived. Fortunately, he was in the comments saying he was okay. But you heard that. That could have gone very, very wrong for him.
I'm not playing with you.
Hey.
Come here.
Stop.
Come here.
Just stop.
Did you stop some people in the crosswalk?
When?
It doesn't matter when.
Just stop.
A mother and a daughter? And you showed them your waistband?
What are you
no,
talking
sir.
about?
No, sir, we don't do that here.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Just calm down.
Calm down with that fucking shit in your waistband.
I don't have nothing.
You better stop that shit right now.
I don't have
You
nothing.
better stop.
What are you talking about?
Why'd you pull a gun on somebody else?
I didn't do nothing, man.
Why'd you fucking talk to Kelly and Abby in an out-the-mouth kind of way?
What are you talking about?
Who the f are you talking about? Yeah,
Chill
you should
out.
back the f up.
Have a conversation.
No.
Just leave me alone.
No, stop your ass.
Just leave me alone.
You want to f with people on my block? I got you, bro.
I didn't do nothing.
I got you.
What's going on, buddy?
Nigga, brother. Team out here.
Obviously, he doesn't live here.
If you're visiting a friend, that's fine. Just let us know. Because you get neighbors concerned since you're walking around my house. I'm not walking around your house. Hold on, Steve. You've been past my house 4 times. I don't know you. I've never seen you here before, and you're walking past my house over and over again. So if you live here or you have a friend you're visiting here, that's fine. I'm not in front of your house. You're actually following me. You gonna keep asking me the same question over and over and over and over and over. This man following me. This is harassment, right?
I haven't answered yet.
That's harassment, right? That's harassment, right?
I think what you did to my wife, yes.
Look. He followed. You read it up.
Driving home from Kitchener, I was in the Kitchener courthouse today. And as I was entering, I was denied entry because apparently I don't look enough like a lawyer. I was dressed exactly like I am now. And the guy's like, oh, we're not just letting anyone in the courthouse. You better have some business here. And I just keep on walking towards him thinking like this guy clearly knows that I'm a lawyer. And then he's like, yeah, what's the purpose of you coming here? And I look at him like, are you joking? Bro, I'm a criminal lawyer. And then he was kind of embarrassed and he felt stupid. I was like, wait, you think I was a pimp with the suit? And then I showed him my ID. And then my client pointed out some reasons why the guy may not have thought I was a lawyer. Any of you guys know why I was not believed to be a lawyer? Let me know your thoughts.
I went to Harvard Law School. I've got a lot of degrees and awards. I've won cases at the U.S. Supreme Court, and I've been in courtrooms representing clients, getting there early, sitting at defense counsel's table, where the judge will walk in and immediately get mad at me. The judge will look at me and say, hey, you get back out there in the hallway. I don't want any defendants sitting in my courtroom without their lawyer. And I have to stand up and say, well, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I am the lawyer. I didn't introduce myself. My name is Brian Stevenson. I have to try to de-escalate this situation. And I was doing that recently. I was in a courtroom in the Midwest, and the judge started laughing, but it wasn't an apologetic laugh. Client came in, we did the hearing, but I remember sitting in my car after that hearing thinking, wow, here I am, this middle-aged black man. I'm in my best suit. I've got all of these degrees and awards, and I'm still required to laugh at my own humiliation to do justice for my client.
Imagine this. You're on a full flight from Istanbul, Turkey to San Francisco, and about 3 hours into the flight, they make an announcement asking for a doctor. They're like, if you're a doctor, if there's a doctor on board, please identify yourself. You take off your seatbelt, you get up, you're excited, you're ready to, this is what you've been training for. And first thing the flight attendant says to you as he comes over, he's like, wait, are you a doctor? He looks at you kind of weird. You're like, yeah, I am. First, he asks again, you're sure you're a doctor? I'm like, yes, I am. Then he goes ahead and asks for like a medical ID. I'm like, I don't have a medical ID. I don't know what that is really. I can give you my NPI number. And then I pulled out my phone and showed him my work ID, which clearly says my name, says medical doctor on it, or MD, and then says like doctor in huge letters at the bottom. I see that he's pretty reluctant, but he takes me back to where the flight attendants kind of gather, and I meet his colleague, who also then questions me, are you a doctor?
We got a call, people in traffic, they said they heard somebody banging in the trunk.
There's the body.
And there it is. That's pretty sweet. How much did it cost to get all that put in there?
Not too much.
Not too much.
Yeah, right. Looks good though, man. I like the.
Yeah.
What year of caprices? 75. Hard to find right there.
How many amps you got running?
I got one on the floor. Well, two on the floor. Two on the inside. You here for the Florida Classic? Yeah. Well, I live well. Go ahead. Oh, okay. Nice. That's awesome.
Oh, I know. We pulled up and I'm literally hearing it. What vehicle they're calling in, and we're like,
yeah. It's probably
we know what that is. Yeah. We know what that is.
I appreciate it, man. All right.
Yeah, but you gotta check it out. You never know.
Yeah, you're right,
You
man.
never know.
All right.
Appreciate it, man.
I appreciate you, man.
All right. Take care. Good luck. Take care.
All right.
We have an indisputable news exclusive. What if I told you a man goes to work early, and the manager calls the police on him because he is at work early? I kid you not. That is the allegation. Here's the video.
I'm here at Applebee's restaurant. Got the manager here. I never heard nothing like this in my life, y'all. This lady is upset with me because I come to work early. Now, mind you, I'm scheduled to come at 8:30. Now, I work here at Applebee's in Picayune, Mississippi on Memorial Boulevard. Now, this is what she do. Now, she gets upset with me because I come to work early. She got a problem with me. Now, she won't let me in the restaurant, tell me I can't come in until my schedule. Now, they got people, mind you now, they got folks that have to be scheduled to come to work at 5 o'clock. They come to work 4 o'clock. They go right in the restaurant. This is what she do. She let the white guy in there, and she won't let me in there. And I know why. Because she is prejudiced. Not only that, she didn't call the police on me. And I work here because I come to work early. I want y'all to see this here. This lady done literally called the police on me because I come to work early. Even though I never in my life ever heard of something like this. And now, mind you now, I'm in the state of Mississippi where there ain't nothing but prejudice and a racist state. But I may have been born here, but I have not been raised here. So I know when I see prejudice or racist because I recognize it. And when I see it, I'm going to let them know I see it. Now look what she did. Here I work here, an employee here. This lady done called the police on me because I have come to work early.
This man is in Picayune, Mississippi. Here's what happened when the police arrived.
And this this lady right here, I got a problem with her. Because I come to work early. She's a manager. Now she let the mind, now she let the white guy in. I'm upset, man. I got a right to be upset. Now they got people come to work here early and they go in the restaurant. I get it. People don't say nothing. And I come here early all the time. The general manager let me up in here and don't say nothing. I called and he let me up in here. She ain't no general manager.
That's not gonna be. There ain't no reason for us to be together, man.
I ain't steal nothing out the restaurant. I ain't disrespect nobody, y'all. I ain't use no profanity when I'm talking to them or nothing like that. But see, I know what time it is. This lady's straight up racist. It's because she called the police because she want me to go to jail. She don't want me here. Because she know and then in that mind on that, I'm going to call corporate and tell corporate. Corporate don't tolerate this mess.
So here's the deal. All right. So what your manager just explained to me is that they don't want you to work today just because of how you are right now. So what they want you to do is just leave the property until further notice, okay?
Now see, now look, y'all, they want me to leave the property. I come to work early. The police tell me to leave the property because I come here because I came to work early.
A black man was kicked off a train and arrested because a white woman didn't like the way he was sitting.
This white woman said she didn't like the way I was sitting on the train. So you call the police. You call the police to arrest the one black dude on the train. I haven't done anything illegal.
That man being arrested is Alex O'Keefe. He's an award-winning television writer known for his work on The Bear. He says that while riding a Metro North train from New York City to Connecticut, an older white woman targeted him because of his skin color.
I said, "Oh, how am I sitting wrong?" She says, "You're taking up 2 seats." I said, "I'm not taking up 2 seats, and we have a completely empty train." The old woman who had originally reported my sitting posture was sitting next to 2 other ladies, and one of the ladies leaned into me and she said, "You're not the minority anymore."
O'Keefe says officers didn't ask questions or speak to other passengers. They just handcuffed him and pulled him off the train.
I was sitting on a train and you're trying to arrest me for what? Can I not even know what you're trying to arrest me for?
He was later released without...
I live here. I've been living here for about 5 years. And then Karen walked up to me just now and she was pestering me about what I'm doing following her. What am I doing? She came all the way to my car and now she's... Did you call security yet?
Yeah, I called one of the officers, yeah.
What did he say?
He didn't answer. I was trying to leave a voicemail.
You want me to help you call security?
Sure.
How long y'all been living here?
Go right ahead, call security.
How long y'all been living here?
It doesn't matter how long.
You got anything to say or no? You just...
I got my car broken into.
I don't give a
Only a month ago.
I don't give a I pull in here where I pay $1,700 a month.
First off, sir, the description was exactly what you're wearing. And then you have a backpack.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So the description was me of the person that broke into your car?
Yeah. The hoodie, everything.
They had on a pink hoodie when they were breaking in?
Why I just mentioned it, I apologize.
They had on a pink hoodie, black nails, and a backpack. I mean, she did this. I'm not content creator. I'm a fucking influencer. If I wanted to, you'd be finished. Weird. If you raise your voice. No, what if I get more likes? I get more likes if a white woman walks up to me and asks me what I'm doing in my apartment.
White, thank you.
She's not white. All right.
I'm Mexican. Thank you very much.
She's Mexican. All right. Good day, Karen. And who the fuck you are, goof. The working for 12. Hey, what's up?
Are you on the phone?
Yeah, I'm streaming right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a live streamer.
Okay. I don't know.
What's
I guess.
What's your channel? My name is Nate Gotti on TikTok. I stream on TikTok every day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What's the specialty? IRL. IRL means in real life. So basically, my life. That's all I do. What's up, guys? How you doing?
I guess.
Did somebody call the cops on me?
Yeah. Did you say something to the...
No, I said, oh, no. We've been on stream the whole time.
Okay, I think you got confused. Did you, like, show the camera at her or something?
Oh, yeah. Probably, like, you know, I show everybody. I was like this. Like, look, she's came. I was talking to the chat. I said, oh, she's finally here, chat. And like this. Like, yeah, she's here.
All right.
You do this all day? Yeah, all day. That's literally what I do. That's what I'm known for. I could go outside. A couple people say, hey, Nate, what's up, bro? Yeah, that's all I'm known for.
I didn't get confused. You were pointing it when I walked in.
Oh, you called the cops on me?
Yep, I did.
Oh, why?
Because when you were
No,
over
I don't
here,
point cameras.
I showed
Like I saw in the reflection that you were viewing like as I was walking in. Like just FYI, if you're doing that, maybe you don't do that when someone's walking in the store. Like you're doing something.
If people catch wrong impressions, you know.
Oh, you know, but I mean, what I was doing was like, you know, not
Yeah,
illegal,
I don't
right?
care. It's just so do you not want him here? Or?
Wait, oh, damn, well, I don't. We didn't need to get that far. We just came for the chargers. Hold on, let me charge my shit up real quick, y'all, before it dies on the right now.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't have an iPhone.
Let me see what else you got.
Wait, did your phone
Yeah,
did your phone just get stolen?
Yeah, you got so many people fucking on record right now.
Bro, check me right now, bro. Check, bro.
Yeah?
Check, bro. Check my phone. Check.
Let's see.
Bro, look.
Check out the pocket.
He thinks
this guy.
He thinks I
This
stole
guy.
He thinks I stole his phone.
This guy.
What?
Why would you think that this gentleman's taking your phone?
What the hell? You come out to random. Is it because I'm black? Oh, it's because I'm black, right? Yes, mate.
When you try to see this time around how some people don't want to change their behavior, they think that when black people are staying on this land of America, they don't have any right to do whatever they want. They don't have any right to pass in any neighborhood. They don't have any right to go shopping wherever they want. When you try to observe all these clips, these people, the way they always dare to check on black people, to harass them, to bully them, to make them discomfort on their land, to make them losing peace of mind. It is something really bad to watch. No wonder we are keep seeing this video. A lot of black Americans right now, it's a trend. They are making this video. Some black women, they are crying, asking God, I would wish to stay somewhere I will not feel bad. I will not feel like discouraged to be born as a black people, because this racism on this land is too much. We are being treated like trash, like nothing, like animal. When these things are going to end? Why can't you at least change something? But some people, they say there is no need to cry. The more you keep crying, you make these people feel good. You are making their days better, because they always want to see you crying, depressed, discouraged. You need to be strong, because each and everything which has a beginning, it will always have an ending. But even when you try to see this time around, there is a lot of things happening which shows like God is working on black people's case. There is no any way God will keep always sitting there seeing these people treat black people any way they want without ending. No, there is no any way. This is something, as we have hope that it's going to end soon, because when you try to look, a lot of signs are showing that things are getting out of hands. The situation is getting worse and worse. Black people has been screaming years, decades, from generation to generation. White woman will call a cops on you saying, I see a black guy passing on me. I feel discomfort. I feel threatened. When someone is passing in their neighborhood, in the street, doing a workout or mind their business, you are calling cops on them, saying that they are passing in your street. No wonder when you sit here and observe this situation, would you say that God will never end all these things? Do you think that these things are keep going to be like this forever? And yet these white people, they are the most people who play victim of each and everything. No matter what happened, when something comes out and you prove them wrong, you show a proof, they always say, they will turn the topic and try to throw stone on you, because they finally see that you are innocent, they can't do anything on you. This is what is really always hurting black people. When you see how black people struggle a lot, you may even give them a Nobel Prize, because these people has been so strong to manage all this situation. They are really strong people. When we are talking about black Americans, that they are God's chosen people, this is the power they show. This is the strength they always show us. Look, this situation they pass through from your childhood, passing this bully. You reach 20 years, you reach 40 years, you reach 60 years. No one has ever valued you because of your skin, of your color. But some people, they will never understand. You find some people, they are saying, you are exaggerating this situation. Living in America, you need to live peacefully. Why you always look problems on white people? If you are saying that black people, they always look problems on white people, what these people are doing? Can't you see these videos? Can't you see the way they always provoke black people? Have you seen this gentleman is passing in this neighborhood? They come after him with these 2 cars, asking him a lot of questions. Have you seen? But when black people come out to talk their issues, it's also a problem. You find some people saying black people, they always talk about racism, they can't even let it go. Why these people, they always live in the past? If you want black people to stop saying, you need to give them that peace they always ask from you. You need to recognize them as human beings. That's when they are going to stop, rise up their voice. If you think that what you are doing is good on them, from them, they will stop saying anything. But how come whenever they talk about their issues, you feel like you are very bitter? You don't want black people to gather to talk about their history. You don't want anything concerning them. You don't want to see them happy. You don't want to see them succeed. You try your best ever to make miserable their life. Sometimes it's really bad. And they always say, whatever you sow, it's what you are going to reap. When you keep doing something like this, when you keep having this bitter heart towards other people who are created in the same image of you, of course, karma will catch you anytime. If it will not be you, it will be a generation. Some people, they are living in the hardship because of the past things they have done to other people. They are no longer even recognized or remember. How come you are a human being? Whenever you see a people of color, you are just trying to show your true color. You are just trying to put a crime on them. And yet in your heart, you know they have done anything. And after that, you are calling yourself a Christian. And yet you want God to come and solve your problems. There is no any way. Where God will come in your how to solve your problems when you already show that you don't have any sympathy to other people. And yet God told us God is love. You need to love each other, help each other. Guys, let me know what you think about today's episode. Drop your thought in the comment section. Do you think these things of racism, bullying here and there, we have hope that very soon it's going to end? Do you think it's something people will just live with till the end? Drop your thought in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next episode.